My name is Marifa Akonde, and in today's training, I will be taking you through the recurring posting process in SAP S4HANA. Right. So, in SAP S4HANA, how do we locate the recurring journal entries? So, in SAP, you go to General Ledger, and there's a drop down beside the General Ledger. Here we have overview, journal entries, the periodic activities, reporting and chart of accounts, and lastly we have tax declaration. Our focus is on periodic activities. So here we click on periodic activities. Right. So we have the periodic activities, and under periodic activity you can see we have the recurring processes. And also we have the closing preparation where we have manage recurring journal entries. So this is our focus for today, and let's click on this. Okay, as you can see here under the manage recurring journal entries with this company code, you can click on go to see the previous recurring journal entries, and you can also create new recurring journal entry. So let's create new recurring journal entry. Right. Here we have input the journal entry type. And let's say for instance we have journal entry and the company code is this is our company code, and the transaction currency, which is very important, is USD. We also have our conversion rule, which is the use current exchange rate. So the system is going to be using the current exchange rate for this transaction. All right, moving on, we have the line items where we have to, enter the line items. And the first thing here is to enter the company code, which is 1710. And here we have the GL accounts. So let's select our GL account, and for the purpose of this training, we'll be working on salaries. Yeah, salaries and wages. So here, the first thing to select will be the salary expense account. Okay, so we have okay, so let's work on this. Yes, let's work on wages and salaries. And the second leg will be the prepayment account. Right, so let's select, okay, we have one here, the prepayment salaries and wages account. Okay, so the amount will be $2,000, and the credit amount also will be $2,000. Right, so we are not done with the line items. There's a drop down here where we have to assign the cost centers, right? So in the account assignment section, we have cost center. So let's select the right cost center, which is financials. And for the second line item as well, let's select the cost center. Yeah, we can select the cost center for this as well, which is still financials. So this is fine. For the purpose of this training, we are not maintaining, tax code. We are going to be exempting tax for the purpose of this training. So here is exempt. Okay, so moving on from the line items, we have the recurrence rule. So this is where we have to set up the recurrence rule, and our start date. We have to enter the start date where we want the recurring journal entry to start. So let's say the start date, we want this to start by January, And the recurring pattern, we want it to be monthly, and also we want it to reoccur every month, right? Once every month. And we want this to reoccur on which day? Is it the first day? Is it the last day? Do you want a specific day? Right? So here we can pick the first day, and it should end after how many occurrences? So we want this to end after six occurrences. Yes, after six occurrences. Right? Yeah. And as you can see, the end date is automatically six. It's automatically, 1st of June 2026. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see the postings. You see, although we have not posted this recurring journal entry, but you can see how the posting is going to reoccur based on the dates, right? Based on the number of the occurrences, right? Okay, so with this, we can go ahead to save this. Let's save this. And if you want to add any attachments, you can add attachments. If you want to add any notes, you can add the notes. And lastly, we have the balances, right? We have the balances. So let's click on save to save this. All right, so the recurring journal entry has been saved successfully. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see from the list of our recurring journal entry, this is it, and 0/6 is posted, right? Yeah. So with this, and if we want to post this, you can select the transaction and click on post. You can also display, edit, copy and delete it, but you can click on post to post any of this transaction. So here, once you click on post, you can say, let's say you want to post to dates, although it is still 2026. So you can, enter the dates you want to post up to, or you can enter a specific date, right? Maybe posting date, then click on post, right? So that's about the recurring journal entry process in S1. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any question regarding this training, you can drop your questions in the comment section. Bye for now.